quick video of a disassembly of an rb25 hydraulic lifter. What you want to do first is put it on a piece of wood. I like to put a microfiber towel on the wood. That way you don't get, wood residue. And what you want to do is smack it firmly on the piece of wood. Now, flip it over. Put a piece of towel, locking pliers. What you want to do now is literally pull it towards you. So you're going to hold the lifter in your hand. It's going to be hard to show you. Hold the lifter in your hand and pull out, like so. After you pull it out, you manage to pull it out of the lifter. This is how it's going to look. You'll pull it out. This is what you get. What you do now, this piece, you'll pull it. Crap. This piece, put it on the tip. Pull it out. Comes out like this. That's one of the components. There's a spring in there. Use a pick. Jeez. Pull out the spring. This piece. And then under there's another piece. What I like to do is get a magnet. Hold it firmly in the center. Oh crap. Will I get it? And then pull it out of the center. That's all 4 of your pieces. What you want to do is clean all of this. What I like to do with the thing in the center, fill it up with some brake fluid and push a pick in the middle and have the fluid run through it until it comes out like a stream with brake cleaner, not brake fluid. After you clean all the components, all these pieces are cleaned. What you want to do is flip this, place the spring in the center, like so, like that. Take this, dunk it in oil. Now that you have oil, put a little bit of oil inside of this, like that. Take this, push it in. Okay, and now you're gonna have to relieve the air. So what you'll do is take the pick, push in the middle, push down. Once it's down, fill it up with oil again and bleed it out like this. You'll still see a little bit of bubbles. It's gonna be hard to see with the camera, but push in the center. Now it's all bled out. Take this piece, put it on top. Make sure this piece, this part, sits on top. Take this, put some oil in the center. Carefully place over, center it. Push firmly. Okay. Dunk it in oil. And then push in the center. That's it. You got one lifter assembled, ready to be put back in the head. Thanks for watching.